The millionaires know a lot of things, and we will be telling you 10 such lessons which could make you rich too. Keep watching this video till the end, as there is a bonus lesson in the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Maintain a humble approach regarding your financial status. Understanding that displaying wealth can attract unwanted scrutiny, envy, and potential backlash, numerous affluent individuals opt for discretion. They prioritize modesty and solitude, recognizing that wealth is a privilege, not a display. Many successful individuals recognize the broader perspective, acknowledging that true wealth extends beyond financial assets. It encompasses quality of life, meaningful relationships, and personal growth. Additionally, displaying wealth can result in exploitation, distortion, or theft, and it may also encourage consumerism and excessive spending. Rather than showcasing your wealth, maintaining a discreet presence enables you to embody humility, prioritize what truly matters, and leverage your resources to create a meaningful impact. Number 2. Strategically outline your objectives and initiate the process promptly. You're undoubtedly acquainted with the adage, "The early bird gets the worm." However, this expression carries a unique significance in the financial sector. To exemplify this, let's consider the esteemed Warren Buffett. At the age of 11, while others were engaged in pastimes like playing Pokemon cards, young Warren was already making strategic moves in the stock market. I understand your concerns. I've missed my opportunity. However, let's pause for a moment. The key takeaway is to initiate with manageable steps and persistently advance until you achieve your financial objectives. Consistency and commitment are paramount when launching your own enterprise. By taking initiative, investing effort, managing resources wisely, and laying the groundwork, you will cultivate a thriving financial future. Subscribe to our channel to help us hit our first 1,000 subscribers goal. Number 3. Prioritize debt elimination. Recall the second principle of personal finance: avoid spending money you do not possess. The affluent adhere to that esteemed principle. Delay securing a loan until you have successfully launched your business. You are courting significant risk. We must keep in mind, debt represents the financial equivalent of quicksand. The convenience of utilizing a credit card can be misleading, as it may swiftly result in significant financial obligations. Securing a mortgage loan for property acquisition is an option, but it is essential to prioritize swift repayment. Timely debt repayment, especially in the context of elevated interest rates, stands as a fundamental objective for affluent individuals. Number 4. Distribute your financial resources strategically. Expand your investment portfolio. Expanding your company's scope and diversifying revenue streams is a strategic financial move. The wealthiest individual globally, Elon Musk, serves as a prime example of this lesson. He continued to drive forward and innovate following his success with PayPal. On the contrary, he expanded his horizons and invested in numerous sectors. We are initiating our journey with Tesla electric vehicles, advancing to SpaceX, harnessing solar power through SolarCity, and exploring the frontiers of technology with Neuralink. Diversification offers a significant advantage by mitigating risk exposure. As one sector faces challenges, another may be navigating a more stable environment. Proceed with caution on one front, conduct thorough investigations, diversify your approach, and create additional opportunities for substantial success. Number 5. Continuous learning and development. Emerging technologies, evolving trends, and significant breakthroughs are driving rapid transformation across the globe. To gain visibility, prioritizing learning is essential. Investing in personal education transcends merely acquiring new skills or broadening knowledge. It is a strategic commitment to growth and development. Reflect on Bill Gates, the visionary behind the establishment of Microsoft. His relentless pursuit of knowledge continued unabated even after graduating from Harvard. Alongside their expertise in software, he frequently endorses literature that tackles global challenges. Generating $1 million hinges on a deep understanding of global trends, technological advancements, and the intricacies of your industry, enabling you to devise innovative solutions. Number 6. Expand your network. Strategically expanding your network is crucial for success. Building and leveraging your network is paramount to success. An exemplary case of this is Mark Zuckerberg, the visionary leader behind Facebook. His objective was to launch Facebook through strategic partnerships with others. His initial investors were individuals he had established connections with during his college years. He successfully initiated the creation of the Facebook empire due to their contributions. A robust network is founded on the collection of contact information and the cultivation of mutually beneficial relationships between the involved parties. Number 7. Be prepared to embrace calculated risks. While the top leagues offer invaluable lessons, one of the greatest challenges is embracing the necessity of taking risks. Rather than engaging in irrational risks, successful individuals advocate for the pursuit of calculated risks. Upon completing your research and considering all pertinent factors and implications, you will proceed with confidence. Historically, Larry Ellison, the founder of Oracle, has emphasized that the greatest risk lies in the absence of risk-taking. In the realm of business, adopting a cautious approach often results in overlooking transformative opportunities that could significantly enhance your trajectory. Number 8. Develop a comprehensive plan for your financial landscape. A budget serves as a powerful financial tool for tracking expenditures and income over a specified time frame. Successful individuals who have built their wealth independently typically maintain strict adherence to their budgets. They strongly advocate for the importance of establishing personal budgets and consistently following them. Establishing a budget is crucial for maintaining financial discipline, a key factor in the success of your investments and income. It ensures the sustainability of your financial resources over time. Number 9. Ensure you maintain your schedule. Focusing solely on short-term money and investment strategies may limit your potential in managing your finances effectively. Strategic visionaries, in contrast to those focused on immediate outcomes, are typically the individuals who achieve remarkable success. The paramount investment guidance from Warren Buffett emphasizes acquiring shares in companies you believe in and are confident you can hold for the long term. What is the reason for this? The growth of a firm is not instantaneous, it is a gradual process that builds over time. Shift your focus from immediate benefits to long-term vision. Number 10. Maintain your enthusiasm. It is likely that you have encountered individuals who are deeply dedicated to their objectives and the tasks they undertake. Their level of enthusiasm is powerful enough to achieve remarkable feats. Consider the media powerhouse Oprah Winfrey as a prime example. Her passion served as the catalyst for her success. She sought not celebrity for mere recognition, but rather thrived in the spotlight. Throughout her journey, she has faced obstacles including rejection, disappointments, and various challenges. However, her unwavering commitment has empowered her to stay resilient in her love. Before making any investment, it's essential to evaluate your motivations. Ask yourself, am I pursuing this for altruistic reasons? A strong desire is essential. It fuels perseverance during challenging times, making it crucial to cultivate one. Number 11. Consistently acknowledge and appreciate efforts, regardless of circumstances. It is essential to maintain a positive outlook on life and finances by cultivating gratitude for what you possess. The mindset of affluent individuals is often defined by qualities like appreciation and philanthropy. Focusing on the positive aspects of your life is essential for maintaining an optimistic outlook. Instead of dwelling on the positive experiences, it's essential to acknowledge when you're in a great moment and then strive for even greater achievements. By fostering a constructive mindset, you will effectively navigate challenges and seize exceptional opportunities. This mindset of appreciation and positivity is an essential element for achieving a fulfilling and successful life that you can leverage for your benefit. That's all for today. Now please subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to help us hit our first 1,000 subscribers goal.